me your push, 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 ayy. I got that good stuff that you want. Give me your push, 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 ayy. I got that good stuff that you want.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to my vlog. This is the last meet of 2023 Nissan Nightlife, hosted by my boy Angelo. Hope you enjoy. Really not too sure even what this is, but it's pretty sick. We get closer up later on in the video. Here we got a bunch of the Nissan Z guys. We got 350Zs, 370Zs, 300Zs, and a couple other ones. That's the RX-7. See, boys? That's a Nismo. That's a Nismo 350Z. G37. What car? Mix. I said, oh fuck.
I got scared for a second.
My car does that. I shoot free.
Yeah.
Not here though. I respect it.
Yeah.
When we leave though, I will.
I think that's the rule, right?
Yeah. Look at that Beamer. This BMW right here, it's an M5. Looks like it has a pretty sick custom wrap on it. It was really sparkly. Looked really nice in person. Yes, sir. Definitely one of the nicer, cleaner cars there. Saw this Honda Prelude over here. Definitely gotta show some appreciation for that. One of my good buddies, rest in peace, he had a Prelude back in the day. Definitely brought back some good memories.
But the headlight's different.
Nice old school Mustang. I love the sound of this car. Of course, you gotta show love to these Skyline. This thing is beautiful. This Camaro is pretty cool with the lights on it. Then you just got a bunch of people doing pulls, leaving in this back alley over here. This Infiniti right there was on bags. It was actually fully custom, had a supercharger in it. It was actually really nice. Also one of the cleanest cars there for sure. Nice Skyline right here. 370Z with the reflective tint. What do you think of that? And then also this nice S2000 right here. Really sick car. Now, if you know what this is, let me know in the comments. I really don't know what this is. Obviously, it has a custom suspension. Somebody put a lot of time and effort into it, but I'd love to get some more information about that. Got a couple people leaving again in the back alley doing some pulls. Of course, my Z had to, show off a little bit. Got my ESRs in the front, got the KBD in the front bumper, drift stitches. Hadn't driven this car for about 2 months and was able to fix it up and get it there in time for this, so it was pretty good. After people started doing pulls in the alley, everyone started clearing out before the cops came. Starting to get a little too hot for everybody. Peeped that Infinity in the back, absolutely clean, slammed all the way down, had the hood popped. Think I have some pictures, I'll try to post them if I can. If you want to see them, let me know in the comments. Major changes and upgrades coming soon to this Z. Super clean Skyline. Absolutely love the color. Right hand drive. Beautiful. Clean G35 coupe. I like the white rims with the orange. This Z is very nice. I like the red reflective window tint. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe.